The question is 72 divided by 8, and inside the brackets, it's 16 divided by 4 minus 1. First of all, we'll solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, we'll first solve the division, then solve the subtraction. So here, in the bracket, it's 72 divided by 8, and inside the bracket, 16 divided by 4, which becomes 4, and then minus 1. Let's solve it further. 72 divided by 8. Inside the bracket, 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Now we'll multiply by the bracket. 72. 72 divided by 8 times 3. Now we'll give first priority to division and second priority to multiplication. So 72 divided by 8 times 3. 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now let's solve further. 9 times 3, that's what it becomes. 27. This is the right answer.